Get ready for the dictation. Start. The core question that needs to be decided in this appeal is whether the appellant fulfilled the requirement of 10 years experience on the administrative side for appointment to the post of assistant manager. Stop. As noted herein earlier, according to respondents 2 and 3, the appellant was not qualified for being appointed to the post of assistant manager in as much as he was working in the technical department as a technical hand, and accordingly the condition of 10 years administrative experience could not be said to have been fulfilled in his case. Before we deal with this question, we may state that respondents 2 and 3, who had challenged the appointments of the appellant and other selected candidates, were themselves unsuccessful, and their names did not figure in the merit list as they had failed to pass the oral interview. Therefore, it is an admitted position that challenge to the appointment of the appellant to the post of assistant manager was made by candidates who were themselves unsuccessful in the examination. Keeping this fact in mind, let us now proceed to consider whether the High Court was justified in setting aside the appointment of the appellant as an assistant manager in the corporation. As noted earlier, although the appellant was working as an X-ray technician, he claimed that he had the requisite experience of 10 years on the administrative side as well. To substantiate his claim, he has pointed out a number of administrative duties performed by him while working as an X-ray technician, and which have already been narrated by us herein earlier. It may be noted that for the purpose of applying for the post in question, the candidates were required to fill in forms which were to be forwarded by the heads of their departments under whom they were working. Each form was required to be scrutinized by the respective head, and only after being satisfied that a candidate was having more than 10 years administrative experience, he was to make an endorsement in the application form and approve the same for being forwarded to the corporation. Stop.